Portuguese custard cupcakes, which is our version of making the cupcake. We call this queijadinhas. And in order to make queijadinhas, you're going to need the following ingredients today. 1 cup of flour, all-purpose. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 cups milk. 1 stick melted margarine or butter, regular butter. 3 eggs, make sure they're at room temperature. 2 lemons. Before we begin, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, once you do that, we'll go ahead and move on with the next step. Alright, in a mixing bowl, we're going to blend the sugar and eggs till they're creamed. So go ahead and grab the 1 cup of granulated sugar and add it into your mixing bowl. And we're going to break these eggs into the mixing bowl one at a time. 1 egg, 2, and 3. You're going to want to beat the sugar and egg mixture at a medium-high speed until softened and creamed. Alright, now that the sugar and egg mixture is beaten and creamed, we're going to go ahead and add the 1 stick melted margarine or butter into the batter. Go ahead and add in the 2 cups of milk. And your 1 cup all-purpose flour. And go ahead and beat that again. Start it at a medium speed, raise it up to medium high. Beat it until the entire batter is mixed up together. Alright, now we have our batter all mixed up together. We're going to go ahead and zest the 2 lemons into the batter. You want to zest the entire side of each lemon. So we're going to go ahead and begin. You get this right over here. And zest your lemons into your batter. I'll go ahead and continue this step. It is going to take me a little bit to try to get all of this lemon zest into the batter, and we'll go ahead and come back on the next clip where we'll start pouring the batter into the cupcake molds, and we'll pop these babies into the oven and we'll go from there. So alright, so we have the lemon shreddings in the bowl. Let's go ahead and mix that up. They're mixed up. I'll go ahead and show you guys how to prepare the molds. You're going to want to fill up the cupcake molds, and I'm using these rubber molds. You could use regular cupcake molds, whatever you have. We're going to fill them up 3/4, and then we will pop them in our preheated 350 degree oven. These are going to be very delicious. It's a sweet dessert. And now that the holidays are coming up, a perfect dessert recipe that you could share with your family. Alright. So I'll go ahead and get these finished up, and then we'll pop them in the oven and we'll go from there. Alright, I have the cupcake molds filled with the queijadinha batter, and this is exactly the height you're going to want to fill them up to, about 3/4. let's go ahead and put these in our 350 degree preheated oven center rack. These are gonna bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. So check them in about 25 minutes, 30 minutes. You want to make sure they are golden brown at the top, and at that point they are ready. All right, it's been about 35 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the queijadinhas out of the oven. My oven did take a little bit longer. Oh wow, look at those. So 35 minutes is where I'm going to be pulling mine out. Oven temperatures always vary, so you may want to pull yours out at 40 minutes. Wow, those are beautiful. So that's the consistency that you want right there. You have the golden brown coloring over your queijadinhas. That's what we're looking for. They grew very large. I actually wasn't expecting them to grow this large. They look magnificent. So we'll go ahead and let them cool. I'm gonna probably let them cool for a good hour before I go ahead and plate and start serving this delicious dessert. So we'll be right back. All right, here goes our final product, the queijadinhas, lemon flavored queijadinhas, Portuguese style cupcakes. And we went ahead and removed them out of the cupcake molds as soon as I pulled them out of the oven and placed them on a tray to go ahead and cool for about an hour. And as you can see, they do drop in volume after they do come out of the oven. We could decorate the queijadinhas with some ground cinnamon. This is optional, but it definitely is a part of the Portuguese culture to go ahead and just drizzle a little bit of cinnamon over your delicious sweet queijadinhas. Those look beautiful, and that is enough right there. They have been cooling, so I'll go ahead and try one right now. They should be ready to eat. It is sweet. It is definitely creamy in the middle. A very good texture around the edges. Very good recipe. Delicious dessert to try. Holidays are coming up. I'm taking another bite right there. I recommend this dish, this dessert. Try it out. Subscribe to my channel. Rate. Let me know if you have any recipe requests you would like to see me do. They don't have to be Portuguese. I will do any recipe request. I'll give you a shout out if I do choose your recipe. So let me know. And here we go. Queijadinhas à Portuguesa, Portuguese style lemon custard cupcakes. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next episode.